guys, Kiesel here. So it's really great seeing you guys again. I haven't been making videos in a while just because I've just gotten so busy with like college and like all my like responsibilities and classes and trying to adulting, and I'm not adulting well, but I'm trying and that's what counts. But with that being said, I plan on making more content such as fashion hauls, DIYs, because I love the idea of like doing like budget-friendly DIYs for like decor, especially because it's fall, and so it's like I want like to make some really cool videos for like Halloween, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, just really cool, like really budget-friendly, like Dollar Tree, like budget-friendly, college student budget-friendly DIY, like decor and different things. And I also want to do more makeup tutorials as well as like fashion hauls because I have a lot of new clothing that's more like fall friendly. We got the auburn colors, warm, you know, browns, different things, mahoganies, and I just think I have so many cool like outfit ideas that I think a lot of people would love to try. I hope you look forward to new content I have coming out soon. Have a great day. You guys are awesome.